So I started with 2 techs and 2 vans, like most start. And my first year it's all about people. And I had 3 people that didn't work out. So the first year was tough. I had a 3rd van. After the first few months, I knew that I needed a 3rd van to make the business work. So I got that right away. But where we're at now, I have 4 techs, I have 3 vans, and I have a unit, and I have 1 tech that's in the unit full time. I've always been into cars, so I was looking in that kind of category, and then I started looking into it, and Revive just, I looked all the reviews, and you can go onto forums and see what the techs are saying about the company, and that's what made me think Revive was by far the one to look into. The fear was, am I going to get up to speed quick enough? So there was a lot of help from head office in that regard, and how to quote jobs and that type of thing, and what kind of prices I should be pitching at. And I thought, am I going to find enough work to keep these guys busy? But that's not even a thing. We have too much work, So that's a good problem to have. So I've got the 3 vans. I'd like to double that and have 2 guys in the unit full time. So that's where I'm looking to. It's harder than I ever thought it would be, but again, I worked hard in my previous career, but it's different now because it's for myself and I'm building something. And I can see, I'm able to let the guys have more responsibility and, lean on them a bit more. So it's still tough, but it's getting better. It was in March. That's our best month ever. And I can just see, I can look back on the last couple of years and see how we've got here. And I'm quite proud of that. And I can see the future being a bit rosier than I maybe thought a year ago. It's going to be harder than you thought, but if you work hard, you will get there, and Revive will provide all the support you need.